Now its third part is the median is always one of the number in a data. In question number 1, you had find median for the odd number of observation. That was 20. So 20 is from the given data. Yes. In second one question, when we had find median, which was 15. So is it from the given data? Yes, it is from the given data. So thus you can say the median is always one of the number in a data. So its answer will be true, but only in odd number of terms. So you will write the answer of question number 5. Third part is true, but only for odd number. Even number of terms I will tell you later. Okay. So it is true only for the odd number of terms, not for the even. Always. Okay. Now question number 4 is the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. Now to find mean of the given data, what will you do? Its formula is that mean is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. That means you will add these terms. When you add this term 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13 and 9, you will get 64. 64 you will get. And how many terms these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. So 8. Sum of observation is 64 and number of observation is 8. So 64 mean is sum of observation divided by number of observations. 64 divided by 8 8s are 64. So your mean will be 8. So but the question was the data this has mean 9. So it is false. You will write false here. Now I'm going to introduce next one topic, that how can we find median of even number of terms or observations. Earlier we have done the median of odd number of observation, and now I am going to discuss this one, median for the even number of terms. Its formula is half of the n by 2th term or observation you can write, plus n by 2 plus 1th term. It is n by 2 plus 1. Firstly you will find n by 2th term, and then when you add n by 2 plus 1th term, you can find this one value. And the addition of these two divided by 2. Example, marks obtained by 10 students. 10 is a even number. Even number it is. So, that means our data is an even number. And I want to find its median. So, observations are 55, 36, 95, 73, 60, 42, 25, 78, 75, 62. 10 observations these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Now to find median, as I told you, we have to arrange our data into ascending order. So marks in ascending order. Arrange it. Firstly 25, then 36, then 42, then 55, then 60, then 62, then 73, then 75, then 78, then 95. Are the 10 observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So that means our formula is half of n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Sum of these we have to divide by 2. As you know, n means even number of observation. These are 10. So firstly we will find the value of n by 2th term. N by 2th term, where the value of n is 10. So 10 by 2th term. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. It means 5th term. So now count which is the 5th one term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our 5th one term is 60. So that means 5th term is 60. Now the second one, n by 2 plus 1th term. The value of n by 2 plus 1th term you have to find. The value of n is 10. So 10 by 2 plus 1th term. Firstly you will divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. It will come 5 plus 1th term. 5 plus 1, that is 6th term. So 6th term is counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th term is 62. So that means our 6th term is 62. Now the formula was half of n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th term. So that means you have to divide n by 2th term, that was 60. N by 2 plus 1th term, that is 62. Addition of these two, sum of these two by 2. It will come 1 by 2. When you add it, you will get 122. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2. It will come 61. So that means your median is 61. And now your homework is that do exercise 3.2 question number 3 and 4 and sums related to the median of even number of terms. These two sums are related to the median of even number of terms, because median of even number of terms is not given in your book. So I gave you these two statements to find median of even number of terms. These are even number of terms. So you have to write this statement as well as solution of this statement in your fair notebook. Okay.